guys, I'm Kev from sensei and welcome to yet another video. Yes, we're still here. We've not killed each other yet, but there's still time.
I'm having a damn good go at it.
Yes, it is. On this video, we're going to look at a cane roll. As usual, the Chris with the hat.
Where's your hat?
It's gone.
Oh, never mind.
Just poof into the ether.
When I said free the fair, obviously the hat took it to mean that literally.
No, it's gone to our subscriber, and hopefully he's very happy, and we'll get lovely praise back and adulation.
Okay. When I'm looking at other people training or stuff like that, I sometimes come up with ideas, and I was watching a guy in the gym, and I was watching him do some training. He's a boxer. I was watching his body movements, thought, I've got an idea. And here it is.
Is it a good idea?
We'll let the viewing public decide. As always, please share and care. Please hit the notification bell. And like the hat, be free of the Kev. And free the fear. As we said previously, I was in the gym and I saw somebody on a machine, and he was obviously a boxer. So rather than doing his lat pull downs in between sets, he was doing the old shoulder roll, boxer shoulder roll, etc. And I thought, would that work with the cane? And it does. Kev is shocked, as he always is.
Yeah.
Then he gets surprised by many a thing. This would work. We've done the whole core and the waveforming. We've been really, really close. And you've got your cane. You can do this one-handed or two-handed, but just rolling the shoulders, and you've got these nice, short strikes. And it's a flow of strikes. We're not going for the, I'm going to strike you once and you'll be destroyed by my fabulous punch. Well, you might be, because you're worse. But very controlled, very close in, continuous striking. So think about the old jab, jab, cross. And it's all from here. So it's this whole boxing shoulder roll. Tried against a punch bag, very effective.
What about grab? If I come to grab you...
You're going to grab me?
Yeah, because I'm always attacking people in my chair.
I know.
You roll on, grab you, I'll grab you.
Well, because it's you, I just strike you around the back of the head.
Oh yeah.
Underneath, exactly the same. I brought my cane up. If I inadvertently strike his elbow...
Ow.
Or here, this is going to hurt anyway.
Yeah.
I'm going to gain control of most of the cane, as you can see. So I'm just rolling, and then it's coming, and then I've got my short sharp, but I'm just using the shoulder roll, and he's trying so hard and desperately, and it's not working. I really want to strike him in the knee here, but I'm not going to.
You need to be this high to ride that.
But conversely, if I'm coming in for Kev and he does this, I'm at a disadvantage. I've got the cane, because I have to lean in to grab. As soon as he starts rolling, I've lost my balance. My balance is broken. One hand I can stand upright, and again straight away. So it's just a boxer's roll.
Here's a thought.
Ooh.
Can I do it downwards? Because I was doing it upwards. Can I do it over the sort of I've come over the top?
Oh, so you hit the balance, and I've lost my cane.
I think the answer is yes. No, I generally, because I was lifting up and I could see you moving, which would have been a great groin strike.
Yeah.
I was just wondering if I couldn't get that motion, but I could get this motion to then bring you down and come over the top that way.
I have tried. I have seen a video on this of somebody jabbing using the crook. I'm not a fan of these strikes because unless you get these perfectly square on, it will work that way. But it will work like this if you're short motions. But look at my grip. If my grip is this way and I try that, this flexes. This way, I've actually controlled it better. So your grip, as we always say, will determine your technique. If my hands are in a bayonet strike and I try that, it's not as comfortable.
The reason being, you're controlling with 4 fingers that way.
Yeah.
And a thumb the other way.
Yeah.
And that's why this is the only bit that's controlling the turning of the crook. But if you turn your hand the other way, your 4 fingers are actually...
Yeah. If I turn it that way. Yeah, I can't. So a little thing, but this is what I do. I look at people training. I actually had 3 ideas in the gym just watching people train. So I'm always like looking for inspiration from other people.
This is basically what we do. We look at absolutely everything. Nothing is taboo. We look at absolutely everything. Then we decide if we can use it for the cane. We'll go away, we'll work on it, we'll just keep practicing, and then when we think we've got something that you guys might be interested in, we come and film it.
So just practice. If you've got a bag, a training partner, you can stand really, really close and you can get a lot of techniques from this. Even works if they grab your cane. I bet you're really missing Dan this week.
I am missing Dan this week.
So straight through, and I'm just tying him up. I can lock him up, and if he gets in too close, he's trying so hard to defeat me.
I know sticky cane.
If I'm out here and I try this, I've lost. He's got longer arms than me. He's a gorilla. If I'm here doing that shoulder roll,
yeah, I'm just literally going wherever you want me to go.
I was just about to throw you out your chair then, but I'm not going to.
It'd been fun
for me. So nice and tight. Just roll your shoulders. Practice with the cane. Practice impact striking. Nice, short, controlled, close-in techniques. And you can use this for crash guarding as well. That's a video for another day.
Remember with this, you're using the roll, you can use your waveform, your key gong, your sticky cane. It's all building up and it's going to make whoever grabs your cane, it's going to make them regret it straight away.
Yeah, if they grab it, give them some stick.
Thanks for watching guys, we hope you liked the video. Keep your comments coming, we absolutely love them.
I've got a few comments for you.
I bet you have.
As always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. Get off my hat.
Afraid of fear.
That's it, I'm going to the trainer.